Right then, I'm going to do a template on Daryl. Come and say hello. Come and put a wave. Oh, look at that beautiful hair. Do you see that?
Hey!
Okay, well, these, I'm doing the template on Daryl today. Oh, it's a bit low, isn't it? High? What do you reckon? Do you reckon you can stand it up a bit?
How'd you pump it up?
I don't know. Just if you, yeah, try to lift up there. Lift up. There we go.
That's it.
There we go. Oh dear, I can't help myself, can I? Right, okay, so I'm doing a template on Daryl. He's come up for the consultation, and you're going to work together on doing the read rooms at home, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah? And you're a stylist, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Could you tell by the hair coming again? Fantastic. Right, so I do a template. It might be a little bit difficult with this flowing. Right, so now I need your help for the front bit. Just come round and put a couple of fingers just here. That's it there. Right, so when are you going on holiday, Daryl?
In a couple of weeks.
Where are you going?
Off to Ibiza with the boys.
Is that going to be okay? Did you always do it?
We'll see.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I've got permission.
Oh, that's good news. Right, so just keep your right hand there at the front,
Yeah.
and the left hand, and come round and hold there. That's it. Just a bit lower, because you got. I told it. You've got big arms, mate. It's going to ache. I'll put your elbows in like this. That's it.
Yeah.
Right. So I overheard you speaking to Stuart about boxing. You started training people.
Yeah, I've done a bit of coaching last week. Just going to look to get back into coaching, I think.
Are you? How about
Yeah.
doing it?
Yeah, I've always thought about doing it again. I mean, I've boxed before.
Right. Right hand up and come round and hold here, and left hand.
So, yeah, it's just a case of getting back into it. But once you're unfit, it takes ages to get back into it. So,
Well, you reckon you're unfit, do you?
yeah.
Keep hold of this one and come round and hold here.
Fit as I could be.
There's a what?
I'm not as fit as I could be, that's for sure.
Right, okay. Right, so I will turn you around, so that's one good thing about putting you on this chair. I'll show people how I followed the guidelines just above your glandular hair around the back and sides, which, as you know, you always keep. So I'll just spin you around a minute, mate. You don't have to face me, stuff like that. You can see the back of it. That's enough for you, isn't it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, so that's quite simple to do. And then I just put a little bit of tape over the top, and that gets a mould for Daryl's scalp, and everyone's scalp's different, so this is quite important. So how much grey have you got, do you reckon? 2 or 3%?
Yeah, on the sides, yeah, when it comes through.
Have you? Right, typical. Ran out of sellotape. Entertain them.
No worries.
Hello.
Yeah. Did you just mess around good? That's it. Perfect.
Oh, I'm dying.
That makes it even better. Go on, tell me what you did.
You'll see what he's done.
No, I love it. Right, so in that case, I'm going to make you face you to look at me again now, mate. I'm going to draw your hairline. If you go there, eyebrows up, relax. That's it. Eyebrows up again, relax. I'll just do. There we go. What a funny face there, mate. Right, so you can see here that I've just drawn in the actual shape of the front based on the temple peaks here, look, yeah? You happy with that? And I'll finish it off. I can't wait to see the record now. That's all I'm focusing on.
It's brilliant.
I can't do this quick enough, look. I've done this a few times before, haven't I? I want to see the rerun. It's just going to be one take Daryl, aren't you? So how long did it take to get up here from Plymouth today?
About 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, about 2 hours.
There we go. So I've got the template. I'll take a sample and this will go off Daryl's orders. He's going to flog for us for the
Yeah.
fishes. Both of them are, which is great. And you can see by this, they're going to be entertaining, aren't they? So you let go now. Give the thumbs up then, Daryl. And tell me to go whistle or whatever you want to do.
Let's get a bandana here.
Yeah, there we go. Nice one. See you later.
Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.